Walking Macau Streets, Black Bridge Road, where will you go? Leading me to girls going to K-pop. Well, let's go there.
Okay, so we're going to be filming this short street. We're just going to walk down that way. And we're in Taipa village, and there's a big event today. So there's K-pop bands that are today and tomorrow. The K-pop is 17, and there's a lot of people everywhere. There's Galaxy Casino straight down that way. And let's go on down. Check it all out. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we are going to go down this way, and we're going to see a lot of people everywhere. And there's a Nike store to the right, but we're going to go straight. We'll wait till the people go by. So we have a big two-day event. We got bus stop people, we got Taipa Central right over there, and we're just going to walk up to this one spot, and we're going to try to overlook the K-pop event itself. But you can also hear the policemen right there. There's Taipa village, not too far away, and we're on a street called Ponte Negra Street, which is the Black Bridge Street. Black Bridge Street. Ponte Negra. Hello. So, people like the camera. So I noticed that yesterday too. We were walking through, and they had the event. Different people saw the camera and were saying hello. All right. So this is actually a small one. We're next to this social housing to the left. And we're gonna overlook the K-pop event. And sometimes I'll try to tell you a little bit about some other stuff as well. Maybe we're gonna just take a quick turn right here for real quick. But over there you can see that's Taipa Central. That's this whole space right here has a Taipa museum, firecracker museum. And then there's also Taipa Grande up there. There's some hiking trails that overlook the airport. And then down that way is Taipa Village. And you have the Nike store right there as well. And we are going to continue on our walk. What we're gonna do is we're gonna walk past something called, we're gonna overlook something called Olympic Stadium from a bridge. And we're gonna see if we can see a little bit of the K-pop event as well. I might walk over here real quick and capture this street sign. So it's Ponte Negra. So that's the direction we're gonna go in a moment. That's our street sign right there, Ponte Negra. And then that's our street down that way. And we're gonna keep on walking down that way to that bridge. Yep. We can go up on top, and I think we can overlook a little bit and just kind of see. We can see if we can what we can see from that vantage point. I don't think we're going to see much, but you never know. You don't know until you actually go up, basically. So right over there is the Olympic Stadium. There's a lot of people kind of hanging out here today because of the 17. So you can see that says 17 Motai. And I guess we'll go up here. You can see all the event, all the people, right? And we're gonna go up here. Our focus street is down that way. So we're gonna be able to overlook the event from up here, and we'll just see what we can see. And it looks like we don't see much, do we? Yeah. Because I think that's the stadium right there, so there's like a little space that you could probably hear it if they were performing. But that's about it. Should we walk down into the crowd? Got people everywhere today. Now you got some different views from over here. Do you think people are allowed to go into the grass part without a ticket? Like, I think they might be able to just go in and just kind of hang out. Should we go find out? So yeah, this looks like we saw this yesterday. We were walking around and we saw this was happening. Lots of people everywhere today. Oh, they're even doing some artwork down that way as well. Oh, and there's the bands right there. So that's 7. Is that 17? So we're kind of documenting the city, documenting a street, and also an event as well. We'll see if we can get on the Olympic Stadium. I hope they have more events like this in the future. I think it brings in a lot of money into the economy. It also gives people in Macau like something to be proud of, excited about. So yeah, I wonder. Oh, the guard's just telling them to go that way. And it looks like carrot zone, light stick pairing. Okay, well, I guess what we might do is maybe I'll just end this video. So we'll just go a little bit further, and then our target street was the Ponte Negra, the Black Bridge Street, and then we might just kind of informally go in and see if we can get in or not. So let's bring the camera over here, and then that'll be our target street. So we started down that way by Taipa Village, and then we're going to end it right here, and we're kind of overlooking Galaxy Casinos over that way, the Olympic Arena, and we're going to just end our video. And that's my daughter. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.